Tacrolimus. Introduction. Can you take tacrolimus with food one day and without food the next day? Select yes or no. Correct. If you are allowed to take tacrolimus with food, you must be consistent about either taking it with food or without food every time. If you miss a dose of tacrolimus, should you take twice your usual dose at the next scheduled time? Select yes or no. Correct. Never take a double dose of medication without first asking your healthcare provider. This can be very dangerous. Ask your healthcare provider what to do if you miss a dose of tacrolimus. You should tell your healthcare provider if you have missed a dose of tacrolimus since your last visit or the week before your scheduled labs. Select true or false. Correct. Tell your healthcare provider if you missed one or more doses of tacrolimus since your last visit. That way, he or she can give you the right dose for the future. Tacrolimus can raise your risk of infection because it weakens the body's defense system. Select true or false. Correct. If you have any signs of infection, contact your healthcare provider right away. Thank you for using Explain.